What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys just saw, we just made it to this car meet. It's super huge. There's a line, I think, to go in. So you guys already saw a couple cool cars. So enough talking, let's go check out some dope ass cars. Guys, so cops came, so I don't think everyone's leaving. Look, yes, I think we're gonna head out because I don't think people are gonna do anything anymore. They left him. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and leave the meet. We got some banger clips for you guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram, I'll put it right here. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you everyone for the support. Follow Roy on Instagram and YouTube. He's almost at 1,000 subscribers too. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.